don't love the fact that we have things that we like that other people aren't into. Right. You know, that used to be the whole point. That actually is what cool was back in the Miles Davis thing. Is you knew who he was, you found out
underground.
Yeah.
Discovery, right.
Yeah. And now,
it's to a certain extent playing devil's advocate against myself for a second. I will say that there is the beauty of social media is that I've discovered bands and I've discovered things that I never would have known about had it not been for Spotify or things like that encouraging me to try. I was just talking about Imagine Dragons. I had no idea what that band was, and then somebody tweeted, you know, I sent out a tweet saying, hey, I'm looking for a new band, anybody have it? And then I heard Radioactive, and I was like, okay, I'm in it to win it. So it's still something that is actually great.
And still knowing.
Yeah.
Wow.
Also, the strange thing about that is that you could end up hearing everything that a band did within a weekend.
Crazy.
It used to be if you got into a band, it would take a long time before you found out where they were from. You know, pre-internet. You had to find out where they were from, what albums they have, who were these guys. And now, if you suddenly got into a band, you'd know everything within 2-3 days.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. I mean, technology is incredible because there's really nothing. You know, I had the most obscure question the other day that I asked Siri, and the bitch got it right. And I was so upset because I'm like, there's nobody to stump anymore. It's like we're out of people to stump and things to stump, and we've become too dependent. Somebody was telling me, and I'm not sure if this is true, that some schools are doing away with cursing, and it terrifies me. Like, we're starting to lose elements that define us. That we're almost becoming so reliant on these pieces of technology. Hard black men, and they intimidate the fuck out of me, and they will intimidate the fuck out of the Lions on Monday. Give me the Ravens 28, Lions 14. What? Yeah, you heard me. I don't have to disagree with you. I remember walking in my house and all that was ringing in my head. Don't look in the mirror. Don't look in the mirror. Don't look in the mirror. And as soon as I shut my bedroom door, right there is the mirror. Come look at me. Don't look in the mirror. Come look at me. Don't look in the mirror. Come look at me. Don't look in the mirror. Start looking at the mirror. Yes, look at me. Come on. What could happen? Just take a look. Don't look in the mirror. Fuck that guy. Come on. I can help you, man. That was fucked up what he did to you tonight. You didn't want to do that. I'll make you stronger. Come look at me. Don't look in the mirror. Shut up. Come look at me. I started walking to the mirror. I started looking into the mirror. No lie. I totally am looking into my eyes. And my eyes, the pupils, were completely dilated. So I went in for a closer look. And I'm looking and there's no color in my eyes whatsoever. It's completely pitch black. So then my head starts going, oh my God, my soul's gone. Oh my God, what did I do, man? I'm such a dick. I'm such a dick. Oh, I'm wrestling. Oh, you're an idiot. Good to have you aboard. I ain't afraid of you, Mira. I ain't afraid of nothing. I've never sold my soul. Jimmy, open up the door. Why is the door locked? Open up the door right now. What's going on in there? Who are you talking to? Who are you selling your soul to? It's my brother. Everything's cool, Mom. I just broke up with my chick tonight, man. Yeah, I just like seeing this other chick. But it's cool. It's cool. But it's cool. Just go to bed, Mom. You can talk to me. You know that. I know. Thank you, Mom. I love you to death. I'm totally fine. I'll talk to you in the morning, Mom. Good night. Good night, Mom.
Are you sure there's nothing else you want to tell your mother?
Mom! Don't step in the darkness!